Hey guys, welcome to Network Repair 1. So I'm doing this video because I had problems connecting my DJI mic to my iPhone. So there's a trick for it to play back the music on your iPhone. So first you got to connect this to your iPhone, and before you hit record on your iPhone, make sure you have this the recording on this device active. And then what you got to do to play back the music and see how you sound on your iPhone, make sure you disconnect this receiver from your iPhone, and then you'll be able to hear anything that you recorded from these devices. But remember, you guys, before you hit record, make sure this is recording. So what it does, it picks it up and records it, and then when you want to do a playback on your iPhone, make sure you disconnect this device, the receiver, or else it's not going to work. So I had problems connecting my iPhone with the DJI mic. So that's the solution. Hit the record on this device, hit the record on your iPhone, and then when you want to hear the playback, take off this device off. Plain and simple. Don't forget to comment, give me a subscription. Thank you, and I'll be doing more videos as I go along. Thank you.